friend, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can make a schedule post in Gmail. Okay, so simply go to Gmail, go to in your Gmail, then here you can see the compose. Okay, here you can see the compose, click on it. Then here we are getting the interface of compose, so who to send to, their give their email address. So just click someone. Okay, I write and subject your topics. So schedule post I just show you as example. Schedule post. So here is the compose your email. If you want to write anything, you want it. So I just demo purpose, because this is tutorial purpose. So after finishing your compose, then go to three dot. You can see three dot here. Okay, click on it, and when you click on it, then you will find the option schedule. Okay, so click on it, and then here is option, four option: tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, and Monday morning. So if you don't want to set the three and the rest of the one, you can easily customize your time here. Okay, so when you click on it, then you can set your time through this option. So click here, and you can see a day and month as well as year. So I want to set it 8. Okay, and then the time, what time do you want to send this email? I just yes. Okay, then okay. So after finishing all work, then simply click schedule send. Okay, your email sent. So if you want to see your email, where this email is existing, so go to here and is scrolling down, then you can see schedule. Okay, so click on it. Okay, here you can see your uh, email. Okay friend, this is no more today, and make sure subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you for watching.